time for some coffee and a cultural geography lesson to go with. Coffee is a big part of Cuban culture. It's been a part of the culture for a very long time. Coffee was introduced to Cuba in the middle of the 18th century. After the Haitian Revolution, many French people went to Cuba. And Cuba, which had already been producing coffee at the time, Haiti had also been producing coffee, and many people who had grown coffee in Haiti brought that coffee production to Cuba with them. And this really boosted coffee production in Cuba. And over time, coffee consumption became part of the culture in Cuba. The particular drink that is being made right now is Cafecito, or Café Cubano. Cafecito means small coffee in Spanish, and it's a shot of espresso that is sweetened with sugar. This is the espuma for the cafecito, which is the sugar. This will be used to sweeten the coffee. And that's the espresso. Now, one of the things about Cafecito, this is a very popular drink in places such as the Miami area, the Florida Keys, the Tampa area. It's very popular in places where many Cubans have moved to. What is taking place is cultural diffusion. People bringing the tradition of coffee drinking to other places. People taking, you have this cafecito here. It's very popular in places where there are large Cuban American communities. It's an example of cultural diffusion. It's a part of the culture in Florida. When you think about things like food and drink, and you think about how people will take certain parts of their culture, they'll move to other places and take that part of their culture with them, and it becomes part of the place that they move to. You think about the cultural diffusion, and in particular how it relates to coffee, especially in the state of Florida. Just a little bit of a human cultural geography lesson about coffee, and in this case, cafecito. If you like this video, please check out other videos on this channel, and as always, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.